私の胃袋の中にサンドイッチがあるので許してください。
I could eat 5 of those babies and never feel a thing. Excuse me.
Relax! Video games should be fun. Again.
I have the strangest feeling I'm not going to explode at all.
Done and done. I'm back!
You must have me confused with Audrey. She's the Harvey girl who...
Pardon.
Excuse me.
You can't film in here, so, yeah.
Pardon me. I toasted it for you.
Hey! Each burp was different!
Then the mom throws it back up.
Brown, Pam. That color is called champagne.
And we still suck butts!
I'm going out to drink and drive.
You two knuckleheads screwed me up good!
Clear!
Love you, Dad.
I love you too, sweetie.
Sorry. You're right about the hot dogs.
Oh, really, Dad? Oh, really? That looks better than what I made.
With a nephew, he said.